Hey guys, welcome back. It is me, Taija, and you are watching Taija View. And today I wanted to go ahead and do something fun. We're gonna do a full face for $1. $1. A dollar. A doll hair. That's all I got. But if you're new here, I upload twice a week. So let's be friends now. Go ahead, subscribe down below, and let's get into it. So, like I said, everything that I used today was $1. I got everything from Shop Miss A. I wish I had something to show you. This is the packaging that it came in. Actually, it came with this bubble wrap. And I really want to pop it so bad, but my daughter's like waiting for it. But literally everything was $1. I think one item was $1.88. Whatever. It was $1. So I already went ahead, did my brows because I know you don't want to sit here and watch me do my brows. But I did it with the AOA Studio Wonder Brow. And it's just a pomade. It's usually what I use anyway, like my Anastasia. And this is in the shade Ebony, just like my Anastasia. You know what? That's probably why it worked out. These are dollar brows. Actually, it's like 50-cent brows, like 50 cents each. These are dollar brows, and you better not say you could tell. I use this concealer. It's Princessa mattifying covered concealer, but it looks like this. But I just got like basic stuff, and when I say basic, I mean basic. Hello, like this was $1. It is the LA Colors matte eyeshadow. I'm gonna go in with this skin tone shade. So I heard about this website, Shop Miss A. I heard about this website, Shop Miss A, from Juicyjas. If you don't know who she is, I don't know how you don't know who she is. But if you don't know who she is, you should go check her out. I'm like, everything's $1. Why not? By the way, this shadow is literally like my skin, and it's doing nothing. I'm gonna use the same brush, and I'm gonna go in with this dark brown shade here. I'm gonna put this in my crease, like on the outer corner. I mean, clearly the stuff is $1. I really didn't know what to expect, but this is literally giving me dollar vibes. Like, you get nothing more than your $1. I got this AOA Studios Wonder Baked eyeshadow, just like a dark gray. Okay, that has some good pigment to it, kind of. I'm actually pretty shocked that this is looking so bad, because with that brow product, I was like, okay, little something, but this, whew. This is the Princessa Pearl Powder, and it is shade 99. Packaging just looks like this. Ooh, okay. This is definitely helping the situation. I mean, there's crazy fallout, but if the end result looks better than what the heck I was doing in the first place, we'll be all right. This is a mess. Do you see this? This is dumb. I am so weak at this. I don't know what I'm gonna use to like blend everything, because this palette is literally trash, like basura. So I have this LA Colors smudge proof liquid eyeliner, and it just looks like this. Oh, okay. This is probably the worst applicator I have ever seen in my entire life. So let's just see what happens. Yep, just as bad as I thought it was gonna be. There's no point to it, so it's like you're literally just drawing on your face with a marker. I have these Cara Beauty 605 lashes. I have the AOA Studio Wonder Skin Illuminating Primer. Let's put this on. And for foundation, I have the Santee Flawless Foundation. It's supposed to be a dropper, but it's not picking up anything. As if foundation isn't already terrible for me to pick out in the store, I picked out one online. So that's gonna be exciting to see how this blends out. The actual foundation isn't bad. It's more of a medium coverage, I would say. I'm gonna use the same concealer I used for my brows. And I got the AOA Studio Perfect Setting Powder. Now I'm going to bronze with the Malibu Glitz. Comes with a little mirror, and it comes with a little something. These things are so weird to me. So weird. Okay. Okay. Now for blush, I'm gonna use the Starry Triple Blush Palette. Online, the colors did not look this intense. I think I'm gonna, you know what? Why not? I'm just gonna mix all three, more of the brown than anything, and we will see. The pinks in here are super intense. Be careful. Actually, just don't buy it. For highlighter, I have the AOA Studio Wonder Baked Highlighter. It's not bad. It's definitely not as glowy as I like, but it's all right. So I did the lower lash line, and then I just popped on some mascara as well. And I'm gonna go in with this lip pencil, and it is from AOA Studio. It's the Wonder Lip Liner, and it's in the shade Bombshell. And then I got this AOA Studio Wonder Matte Liquid Lipstick, and it's in the shade Bombshell as well. I'm gonna go in with the A+ Setting Spray, and it's from AOA Studios as well. And it says, after makeup application, 12 inches from the face, spray several times. Duh. So that is it for this dollar look. That's probably all I would repurchase, would be the concealer and the brow product. The brow product was actually really good. Overall, my face came together like I kind of thought it would. Once everything is on, it kind of just all goes and it makes everything better. If I would have walked out the house with just that shadow, people would have been looking at me like, where did you break out from? Because we need to put you back. But like I said, everything was $1, so you really can't be too picky, too judgy on everything, because it was literally $1. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead, give it a thumbs up. Also, comment down below what you think, if you would try out Shop Miss A. As always, go ahead, subscribe now. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you doing? What are you really doing? All you have to do is subscribe so you can stay along for the journey, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.